Hi, today I'm doing a review on Nature's Nectar Micro Shield. What this does is helps, can you see that? It's a dietary supplement that helps with building your immune system. Now, there are definitely times of the year when this is more advantageous to take on a daily basis than perhaps right now in the summertime. But in the spring, I was using it, and it did help alleviate my hay fever symptoms. You just take 2 a day. I took one with breakfast and one with dinner. And during that time, I did feel some relief from my symptoms. I plan on taking this as soon as school starts again in the fall, as I work in an elementary school and there are germs galore. And so I will be taking this daily throughout the school year to keep my body as healthy and strong as I can. I did get this for a discount on Amazon.com in exchange for my honest review. I will put the link to purchase this in the comments below. Oh, by the way, it does come in capsule form. And I had no problem swallowing them, no side effects from it. Thanks for watching.